By connecting an MCP, you can expand a wide range of AI automations, data analysis, scheduling, internal reporting, and more. In SCLAB, we'll show how to use MCP to gather news and automatically build a blog through an AI agent. First, on the data screen, click AI Agent from the top menu. In the left sidebar, choose MCP, click Add MCP Server, and enter a name and URL in the pop-up. You can obtain a remote URL from platforms like smithery.ai or mcp. So the URL serves as the connection path. Here, we'll use smithery.ai to connect Exa Search, the most used search MCP. You must have a smithery.ai account. You'll also need to provide an Exa Search API key. Go to the Exa website, sign up, and copy your API key from the account management page. Return to smithery.ai, register the API key, and copy the connection URL. Paste the URL into the Add MCP Server pop-up, enter an MCP name, and click OK. It will appear in the MCP Server list. Verify the connection once it's added. Using the same method, connect the Notion MCP. There are many MCPs. Choose those you'll use most. You'll need a Notion API key. Go to the Notion website, sign up, then open Settings API Connections. Open the API you created, copy the integration secret, return to smithery.ai to register the key, and copy the connection URL. Paste the URL in the pop-up, enter an MCP name, and click OK. The MCP Tools list will load automatically. If you can see tools here, you're connected. From the top menu, go to the Data Editor, create a data group, and open its editor. In the left menu, select SCLAB GPT to open the Settings pop-up. Enter Notion and choose GPT-5 Mini as the LLM model. From MCP in the menu, select the Notion MCP and save. You can also adjust chunk size and overlap. In the left menu, choose SCLAB GPT, then from MCP select Exa Search. Name it Exa Search. Choose GPT-5 Mini as the LLM model, and save your new search. AI is ready. Go back to the AI Agent menu, create a new agent, and in Data Permissions, select Exa Search and Notion AI. Add a date trigger block and set it to run every day at 7 a.m. so the news posts right before work. In the Producer section, select an LLM block and connect it to the date trigger. Open the LLM block editor. Choose Exa Search as the data source, enter your prompt, and click Run. We'll skip ahead since LLM steps take time. A summarized news output appears in Output. In the Customer section, select an LLM block and connect it to the previous LLM block. Open the LLM editor and choose Notion AI as the data source, again skipping ahead due to LLM runtime. Select the block and enter a prompt to create a page in Notion, then paste the page link. Copy the link from Notion. Create the page first, then configure permissions for the page you created earlier. In API Integrations Access tab, grant edit permissions and update the teamspace page to include the new page. Click Share at the top right in Notion, then Copy Link to copy the page link. click Run at the top right and wait a few minutes. When it finishes, a Notion page will be created. Open Notion to confirm the page was created correctly. Duplicate your AI agent to create categories like IT, economy, and sport. For each category, connect a different Notion page link. If you set the API to public in basic info, you can also build a blog website. You can add other MCPs like Slack and email to receive news alerts. Now, each morning, just check your automatically generated blog, try it for free with SCLAB